Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to create a restore point inside your system restore point in Windows. So there are quite a number of options. If you go to start menu and if you just type here restore point, automatically this option will come right here, create a restore point. You will see that. So just go to the start menu, just type here restore point. If this option is not appearing, then you can actually go to control panel as well. And right here, if you see, we have system and security, and here you can go to the system settings, and right here as well we get this system protection right here. Simply click this and this will also open the same window. So there is also one other route. You can go to the same window, go to settings, and then you go to system, and then you have this system. Yeah, so inside this, I showed you this recovery option here. And if you see, there will be this option right here. So the first option that I showed you, this one is okay. If you simply go to control panel, go to system here, and right here you have system. Yeah, so if you go to system, you need to go to this about section. So inside this about section, you see this option of system protection. So this will open the same window, and here you can create a restore point. So there is this option, if you see, create a restore point right now for the drives that have system protection turned on. So as you can see, my protection is turned on for the C drive. So this will create a restore point, and here you can even configure if you just want to disable or turn on system protection. You can even delete all restore points for this drive as well. This is for system protection. For you can click the delete button to delete everything, all restore points, or you can even click this button as well, system restore, to actually restore to a restore point that you already created. So you just need to click it, a restore point. So this is manually created, if you see today, which is the PC automatically creates this for the C drive. So you can click on next and confirm your restore point. So your computer will be restored to the state it was before the event in the description field as well. So if you are facing some issues in the PC, you can restore it to a previous location, previous time, and click on the finish button, and then just need to restart your computer to apply the changes. So in this easy way, you can create restore point, and then you can restore the system by clicking this button. So here we need to click on create button to create a restore point. So this will automatically create a restore point for the system. So in this easy way, you can create a restore point inside your Windows machine. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.